y'all see roll. I'm not really gonna take too much time to record, but I'm out here about to go search for an AC unit, y'all. Unfortunately, the central air unit in my home had finally gave up the ghost. It went out on me around the 4th of July. I got 2 small window units already going right now, so I'm just looking for another one to cool my living room and the living room and kitchen. But anyway, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. My bad for this little wobbly, but you know, with the camera getting a little wobbly here, but I'm recording from this phone. But anyway, I ain't gonna take too much time. I hope you all like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. And I'm about to go in here. I'm gonna go between Lowe's and Ollie's outlet. We're gonna see what price is better. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Which price do y'all think is better? All right. So we're gonna go and search for a window unit. All right.